Hi guys, today I'm making stew peas. First you're gonna add the milk into the stew peas. And first she starts with being it with pigtail foot and some salted beef. So the first thing she's gonna do is put the peas into the pressure cook, and then she's going to put some garlic in. She's gonna put water to soak the red peas, and she's gonna put something over the. She's gonna make the pot boil. Then she's gonna add some onions into her pot. Some pigtail. Then she boils it. Then she's a second boil to the salted beef. Then she adds the beef. Then about 5 minutes after, they're ready. Then she takes on the peas. Then the peas looks very nice. It's steaming. Then she's gonna add the beef and the pigtail. Then she's gonna add some chicken foot. Then she puts water over all the things that she's going to be using for the stew peas. Then she makes it pressure cook for about 3 minutes. Twice in total is 6 minutes. And then she transfers it to a different pot. Then she mixes the peas and the pigtail and the beef and the chicken foot. Then she puts thyme and pepper over the pot. Then she puts in pimento seeds. Then she's cutting some garlic in slices. Then she cuts another one in slices. Then she puts both of them in the pot. Then she is adding scallion that she cuts into pieces as well. Then she's about to finish with the scallion slicing. Then she's finished. Then she's mixing up the scallion and the thyme and the pepper all in one to the pot. Then she puts in her dumplings.
Dumplings are spinners
to boil in the pot with the stew peas.
What's your favorite part about stew peas?
The stew.
Yeah, that's why I use so much peas. So you don't like the meat in stew peas.
Then she adds some then she gets in some garlic into the pot.
Actually.
Or ginger. Then she adds her all-purpose seasoning into the pot from Whitney's kitchen. Then she gets her rice that she had cooked earlier, and she's
what kind of rice was it?
Jasmine rice.
That's your favorite, right? How does that look now?
It looks very good. Then she's mixing it. As you can see, one of the pigtails look like oxtail, but it's actually not oxtail. Then she keeps on mixing. Then she adds her coconut milk to make it more sweetened. Then she adds more. Then she mixes it all together. Look at that. Looks very good and delicious. The peas looks very good. And then she takes off the cup off of the rice. Then the rice looks very good. And that's her second plating to give her friend. And that's it. Bye guys.